a tour of the Jayco factory. Follow me.
We keep our costs down and keep the cost down to our customers as well. So we bought motorhomes. And one thing you'll notice, I put it here where they clock off and on.
Thanks, Chris. Good on you. That tour was really informative.
You know, we want to show off our factory. So, yeah, great. We build product and, you know, we're proud of our product. But one of the strengths that we've got as a business is our investment. So it's not just investment in the building. It's not just the investment in the machinery, which is a very big part of it, but it's also investment in our people. So, you know, people, and Jerry says it all the time, people are the most important part of the business. And that's what we focus on, is developing people up through the business. As I said, I came through the business, Scotty came through the business, and there's a lot of people throughout the business that started on the factory floor. Our CFO started on the factory floor. So, yeah, amazing. And that's one of the things that Jerry does, is he believes in people and he develops people. So, but yeah, with the Expo, we want to show people through the factory, because we invest in it, we invest in people, we invest in machinery. And that's our biggest selling point. And that's why we offer, you know, factory tours. So those who can't make it to the Expo, by all means, are welcome to come and have a factory tour.
You would have to now be one of the biggest manufacturers in Victoria, sure.
Yeah, when you look at that mechanical side of things, absolutely would be one of the biggest manufacturers. And at our peak, we employed 1,300 people. We're sitting at around that 800 mark now. But we also look at, you know, supporting Australian manufacturing. So we don't just look overseas, we look internally. So, you know, we'd employ another 400 or 500 people in Victoria, throughout Australia, and also in the Dandenong area. That's one of the things that Jerry's committed. He's been here for 50 years effectively in Dandenong, so we look for local suppliers as well.
So have you got your own postcode? Feels like I've just walked Box Hill.
Well, yeah.
You've got your own street?
Yeah, we've got our own. We started with a street name. But yeah, no, we'll go for a postcode shortly. But no, we've got the street name, and you know, we've invested heavily in what we've done, and we're very fortunate. You know, we had a greenfield site, so we could build a factory that suited our purposes. And as we said, we've expanded. We've built new sites, new factories on site. We've also gone off site. But yeah, recently, you know, basically we've consolidated. So yeah, no, it's a big investment by Jerry in Australian manufacturing in the RV industry. in the Dandenong area and in Victorian manufacturing.